Welcome back everybody. Okay, look at this question. So two tabs available, they said, is it right? So two tabs names P as well as Q, and both combinedly in 24 hours and 18 hours. Okay, so assume that if some tank is available, or the tank two tabs are available, the tabs names are P and Q, and Q tank may be filling very slow, P can fill very high. Also the capacity also comes through the tap. The tap is very big. Okay, likewise you consider. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. This one P is a tap of very slowest in diameter, so that it can fill in 24 hours, and a Q pipe is very big size, so that it can complete in 18 hours. Okay, likewise you have to think. So the two taps are open at 11 a.m. morning, sometime, some date. So at what time in PM should the tap be closed? Okay, that means what, the P tap has to closed so that the Q can fill completely exactly at 2 a.m. the full tank. Okay, so that's a simple question. Okay, so what it means, you take this 24 hours is one time, 18 hours out of 24 is one time, and then filling the tank is another time. Okay, so this is one time, so this is second time, and filling the tank. Okay, this is a shortcut. Okay, filling the tank is another time, third time. So for one time 24 hours, and for 24 hours. Okay, so 324 72 is it right? So look at me very clearly, this we have to follow. So what it means, let the capacity of tank. Okay, so based on these three, we have to take let the capacity of tank is equal to 72 liters. That is, you should have to follow. Okay, you can ask me why you can take 72, you can take 70, you can take 90. No, because by considering these three, we have to assume the 72. Okay, so you know that efficiency of pipe A. So what is the pipe A? How much thing? So out of 72 liters, it has take only 24 hours to complete the 72 liters. Is it right? Individually. So it is 3 liters per hour. So 72. So 24 means what? For per hour, 3 liters. Okay. And then for a pipe Q, is it right? Pipe Q. So this is P, is it right? Pipe Q. It is equal to 72 and divided by 18. Okay, 18 hours is taking. So per hour, how much it is about? 4 liters per hour. Okay, so what the question says, so total time, in which the tank has filled. Okay, the total time in which the tank has been filled. So totally how much means what, it is taking 15 hours. 15 hours it's taking, is it right? So it is given very clearly. So how 15 hours means what? 11 a.m. we are given, as it right? So look at this, 11 a.m. we are given, and then exactly it is going up to 2 a.m. is it right? So 11 a.m. to 2 a.m. Okay, listen here, you take the clock. So 11 is here, this is a.m. So 2 is here at the time it is p.m. is it right? So up to here it is 3 hours, is it right? So once it is coming one full circle means what, it is plus 12. Okay, so this is 3, and then because 3 means what, it is 2 p.m. but they ask 2 a.m. So 2 p.m. to 2 a.m. is 12 hours, is it right? So automatically it is about 15 hours. So that 15 hours is available here. Okay, do you understand, is it right? Okay, so we are just given the pipe P. Okay, so just make a slide. The pipe P that is getting closed. Okay, because what they can question, the pipe P has to be closed. Okay, then after closing, the Q only will be opened and the tank will be completely filled at 2 a.m. Okay, so the pipe is closed. So automatically at what time, we don't know the time, but what time the pipe is closed. So we are take after n hours. Okay, so we take it as n hours. So you know that how much thing, so 3 you have to take, is it right? So because pipe P is having 3 liters, is it right? With the help of per hour 3 liters. So you don't know the time exactly, we just take n and then plus, now take 4 into 15 hours, is it right? So Q only finally filling, finally P is closed, is it right? So Q only finally filling, because at what time two taps are open. So two taps means P as well as Q also open, but P is closed. So we don't know the time, but Q, you know the time, is it right? 4 into, you have to take 15 liters. So totally how much, 70 liters you have to assume, is it right? So when you consider how much means, for 3n plus 60 is equal to 72. So 3n is equal to 72 minus 60 is 12. And then afterwards n should be equal to 4, is it right? When the n is equal to 4 means what is that? So from 11 a.m. from 11 a.m. You have to take 4 hours, that is means what, plus 4 hours. What is 11 p.m. 11 with 1 hour means 12 a.m. is it right? and after 1 p.m. So not 12 a.m., 12 p.m. Then you have to add extra. So 11 plus 1 hour means what? 12 p.m. 11 plus 2 hour means 1 p.m. 11 plus 3 hour means 2 p.m. 11 plus 4 hours means 3 p.m. So the answer is 3 p.m. Okay. So I take the 3. Okay, that's the one. If you get any doubts means you make a comment in the comment box. Thank you.